Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best train horns is probably one of the most attention-grabbing modifications you can make to your vehicle. These powerful devices, originally designed for railway safety, have found their way into the automotive world, offering a unique blend of auditory impact and personal expression. From the thunderous blasts that command immediate attention to the sheer novelty of a train horn on a car, the appeal is undeniable. But what exactly should you consider before taking the plunge? Number 5. 12V Chrome Zinc Single Trumpet Air Horn. Introducing the powerful air horn. It's designed to make sure you're heard on the road, providing a clear and commanding sound that gets attention. Crafted with high-quality chrome-plated zinc trumpets and an all-copper coil compressor, this horn is built for durability. The vacuum chrome plating ensures a long service life. Experience a sound that's louder and clearer than ever before. This horn ensures that other vehicles, animals, and pedestrians are aware of your presence, enhancing safety on the road. Installation is a breeze with the included relay wiring kit and simple wiring instructions. You'll be enjoying the loud sound in no time. This horn is suitable for any 12V vehicle, including cars, trucks, SUVs, motorcycles, and boats. It's a versatile solution for a variety of vehicles. We are committed to providing a great driving experience. If you have any issues, please feel free to contact us. What we like. This horn boasts non-rusting zinc trumpets, ensuring longevity. It delivers a super loud 150 dB sound, making sure you're heard. Easy installation means you can quickly upgrade your vehicle's sound. If you are looking for a reliable and easy-to-install horn that offers a powerful sound, you should consider this. What people say. It is a great sounding horn. Super loud, definitely grabs attention, that's for sure. The horn is metal. It's not some flimsy tin can metal either, it feels pretty substantial. Second, the compressor has some heft, weight, to it. The compressors of the horns I used in the past felt lighter and really just looked a bit cheapy. Thirdly, is it loud? Yeah, she puts out some decibels. I was actually quite surprised at how loud it actually was. Number 4. Vixen Horns Train Horn Kit for Trumpets. Introducing the Vixen Horns Train Horn Kit. This powerful system features 4 metal trumpets, a 150 psi compressor, and a 1-gallon tank. It delivers a rich, multi-layered tone that will get everyone's attention. The kit includes a robust 150 psi compressor and a steel 1-gallon air tank. This ensures the horns are always ready to blast. The system is built for long-lasting use and safety. The compressor has thermal overload protection, and the trumpets are made of weather-resistant zinc alloy. This design ensures that it can withstand various conditions. The black paint adds an extra layer of protection. Installation is quick and easy with pre-connected components. The kit comes with all the necessary hardware, including a hose, fuse, and horn button. Clear instructions are also included. This horn kit is designed for years of use and comes with a 1-year warranty. It offers exceptional quality at an affordable price. You'll get the best value for your money. What we like. This kit includes a complete onboard system with a 150 psi compressor, ensuring a powerful and consistent sound. The thermal overload protection adds an extra layer of safety. If you are looking for a complete, ready-to-install system with safety features, you should consider this. What people say. Easy to install. Very loud and attention-getting. The horns are well built and sturdy. Number 3. GG69991 Chrome Train Horn with Triple Trumpet. Introducing the GG69991 Train Horn, a heavy-duty chrome horn designed to deliver an authentic train horn sound. It blasts at over 140 decibels, making sure it gets everyone's attention. This horn features chromed brass trumpets and stainless steel brackets, ensuring durability and a clear, powerful sound. The robust construction guarantees it will last for years to come. The GG69991 operates within a range of 70 to 140 psi and supports both 12V and 24V systems. It is equipped with an electric solenoid valve for easy integration into your vehicle. Installation requires an air tank and a 1/4-inch inner dimension hose, which are not included. Make sure you have these components ready for a smooth setup. Enhance your horn with optional accessories like a floor mount stand and air valve lever sets. These accessories, such as the GG69977, GG69979, and GG69982, are available to customize the setup to your needs. What we like. This horn features heavy-duty chrome construction and triple brass trumpets for a superior sound. Its multi-voltage compatibility makes it versatile for various vehicles. If you are looking for a durable and versatile horn with a classic train horn sound, you should consider this. What people say. The horns are very loud and get people's attention. The installation was pretty straightforward. The horn is very loud and sounds like a train. Number 2. Vixen Horns VXH4124B Train Horn for Truck Car. This train horn features 4 trumpets, each tuned to a different frequency. When combined, they create a rich, full, and deep tone, instantly grabbing attention and alerting other drivers. Check out the video to hear it in action. The trumpets are made from high-quality zinc alloy and powder-coated black for extra protection. This ensures that it can withstand various weather conditions. It's built tough for long-lasting performance. The heavy-duty air valve quickly activates when energized, allowing air to flow into the horn. It includes a compression fitting for a secure connection to the air hose, ensuring efficient performance under high pressure. Installing this horn is straightforward with the included mounting hardware, a durable 6-foot nylon hose, and clear instructions. You'll need an onboard air system to operate it, but the setup is designed to be user-friendly. This horn is designed for years of daily use and comes with a 1-year warranty. It offers exceptional quality at an affordable price, providing great value for your money. You can rely on it for years to come. What we like. This horn features 4 black trumpets, delivering a rich and full tone. The fast response solenoid ensures immediate sound. Easy installation makes it a breeze to upgrade your vehicle's sound. If you like a deep tone and easy installation, you should consider this. What people say. The noise level and tone of these horns was just as I was hoping. I took another reviewer's suggestion and ran all 1 2-inch tubing, fittings, and replaced the electric solenoid as soon as I got them. It has the tone of an actual train. Number 1. Vixen Horns VXH4114, Chrome Train Horn for Vehicles. This train horn features 4 trumpets, each tuned to a different frequency. The combination creates a rich, full, and deep tone. It's designed to grab attention and make sure other drivers are aware of your presence. The trumpets are made from premium zinc alloy and chrome-plated for extra protection. This ensures that it can withstand various weather conditions. The build quality ensures it will last for years. The heavy-duty air valve provides a fast response. It allows air to enter the horn when energized. The included compression fitting securely connects the air hose, even at high pressures. Installing this horn is easy with the included mounting hardware and clear instructions. It comes with a durable 6-foot nylon hose. An onboard air system is required to operate it, but it's not included. This horn is designed for long-term use. It offers exceptional quality at an affordable price. A 1-year warranty covers all its parts, providing peace of mind. What we like. This horn features 4 chrome-plated trumpets, offering a sleek look and a powerful sound. The fast response solenoid ensures immediate sound. Easy installation makes it a breeze to upgrade your vehicle's sound. If you like a sleek look and easy installation, you should consider this. What people say. These horns are extremely loud. Install on my semi, sounds good loud. The horn is nice and loud, looks good, and mounts fairly easy if you have the room. The dimensions are as stated, so be sure to verify you have the room to mount it. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.